Hey, this is Rob Leo, and in this video, we're going to learn how to do split screen. I'm going to have Zoom open on one half of my monitor, and I'm going to play Kahoot on the other half of my monitor. And to do that, I'm just going to use a keyboard shortcut. So I've got the Zoom window selected here. Oops, bear with me just one second. Did not mean to go full screen with that. One easy way to do it is just to pull the window to the far right, and that will lock in place. And then you can select your browser as the other half of the screen. So you can really just drag things around. I've actually got two monitors open simultaneously here. So um, you may not have seen that effect. But let's say you don't want to do the drag technique. You can use a keyboard shortcut. And the keyboard shortcut I'm going to use involves the Windows key on your computer. That's what the Windows key looks like. And you're going to press that, and you're also going to hold either the left arrow or the right arrow. So let's try it with Kahoot. Let's say we're going to play a game. We'll use Mrs. Forsyth's game. And you want to see your students, and you also want to see the game board as you're playing. So with this tab, once it opens up here, I'm just going to do let me start the game here in classic mode. All right. Your students, of course, will want to do a split screen as well. They're going to be on a Chromebook, and the shortcut on a Chromebook is the Alt key followed by the bracket key, left or right bracket, depending on which side of the screen you want it to go to. So again, I'm going to hold the Windows key, and I'm going to do the right arrow. That puts it in one side, and then I'm going to select Zoom, and that will put things on the other side. So I have two windows open simultaneously. Again, Windows and arrow key on a Windows machine, Alt and bracket key if you're on a Chromebook. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.